Shalom, 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 saints of the Most High Yah. This is your Pastor, Elder Brother Rufus here, coming to you from the servants of Yah. I'm back with another pool video for you guys that care, that wanted to know if you can see that machine in there. Got one of those little robot things that cleans up the bottom of your pool for the algae and everything, as y'all can see. And one day the pool is about half full, a little over half full. So hopefully by the end of the day, this pool will be ready for us to start the process of shocking it and all that and getting it ready to go. But that machine there, the robot machine, run off of that box right there. That box right there runs it, and it goes and it clears up all the algae in the bottom of the pool and the sides of the pool. It'll actually go up the walls a little bit and clean a little bit of the walls. Y'all can see how the pool is looking right now. I ran it last night. It'll run for about an hour by itself, or until the trap gets full, the baskets get full, and then once the basket's full, it'll stop. But as you can see, it's doing its job. I'm holding my phone really tight because I do not want it to fall over in here. But I do want you guys to get an idea of how this thing looks. We got a little bit of work to do still to get this pool ready to go, but hopefully by the end of the day today, it'll be ready no later than Sunday, because of course y'all know once the 7th-day Sabbath kicks in, I will not be working on this pool. Hallelujah. It is definitely 5-something this morning. It's extremely early. I want to say it's maybe 5:30, if that. But that's what we got going on around here this morning. Letting y'all see how this robot machine works to help clean out your pool. Great invention. I know they cost about $700, but boy, when you can put this thing in your pool literally like once a week to just clean out anything that may have gotten in your pool and floated to the bottom that won't go through the regular filter type system that you already have. This is like a godsend, you know, instead of you actually getting in your pool and having to clean these things out. They've invented a robot machine to do it for you. So that's what it looks like. Yep. I'll be back in an hour to see what the pool looks like after it does its second. I was told that, you know, because of the level of algae, you know, with this thing sitting for the whole entire winter exposed because it did not have a cover on it, that this may need to go twice, if not 3 times. So I'll be back out here in an hour to see what this looks like. All right, bless y'all. Appreciate y'all. Like I've always said, stay encouraged and never forget the whole duty of man is to fear Yah and keep his commandments. Hallelujah. Glory to King. Bless y'all.